Operating friends, we're back with some more fun, yay! And today we're gonna be doing the Play-Doh challenge. I feel like Julie is getting this enough spot. Julie. Okay, so we're gonna be doing the Shopkins challenge. As you know, I already opened one of the Shopkins and the mixable. It was the mixing thing, and I got the toast, but my sister stole it. And we have one more blind basket, and we have these several colors, and I got each tub for 25 cents.
And here's the little guy.
You can zoom them out now. Okay.
Hi.
So we got turquoise, we have black,
Oh,
we have white, and we have yellow.
That's all she got.
Okay, so let's open.
This is actually two. A cup and that guy. See this two faces.
Whatever. Okay, let's open. Okay. So you
Okay, give me one blind bag.
Okay, I'll take this one. So let's
Yay! Okay, let's open it.
Come on, Judy.
These are our new toys! Yay! And we got baskets too! Yay! Got a basket!
Don't get rid of this first. We need it.
Challenge! Who can open it first?
Oh, I got it. Oh, we got a replacement. We got a replacement.
Hopefully we don't have the two of the same.
Hopefully we don't, because then you would have had to make
We
that.
do!
Oh, crap.
Seriously,
I'm sorry. Okay, so this is the one I got. As you know, I got the Toasty before. Toasty. My sister lost them, so it's good for me.
Oh, Lana!
I'm so sorry. We have to make ours now. So,
Okay, well...
you have to make the mixing guide. You might as it really doesn't matter which one you have now.
Well, where's my toasty guy?
No, you don't get a Toasty guide.
a toasty guy.
I don't want to
go look where it was.
Toasty guide. You only get to open the you only you only get to open the last time you open. Okay, so while she's looking for the toasty guy. While she's looking for the toasty guy, I'm gonna show you the list. So we have the toasty guy. And so I already have this side posted. I already have this side posted on my mirror, and now I have to post this side. So, you know, yay! We're going to get more blind baskets, and we are not going to get the exact same ones. Because I got the one for my friend's birthday party, and she got the exact same ones we did. So, Shopkins, you got a problem.
Toasty guy.
You found it?
Challenge we do it now.
Okay, so I'm gonna raise my toasty guy. And what's strange is, remember the last party that you couldn't go to? I got her blind basket and she got the exact same ones we did.
I think they were all the same.
Yeah, Walmart, you cheated us. You cheated. Walmart cheated.
Yeah. Hopefully they have new ones.
Yeah. Next time we go,
Next time we'll try to get some new ones.
Yeah. Because we're gonna go.
This is just not necessary.
I'm gonna get the packaging off so we don't have to do that during the challenge. Okay, so.
These two will be twins.
Yeah, and he'll have a long lost twin. I'm alone.
So how much Shopkins do we have?
We have basically 4, but we lost our other.
Okay, so we have to split these Play-Dohs.
Yeah.
Each bucket we have to split.
Well, I guess the only one.
Pink. Should we just put a blue for these guys?
I'm not making one this guy. You only get to make the one that was in your blind.
No, we have to make 2.
No.
Yeah?
No. That's like the World Play-Doh Day, which we missed. So.
We did.
Yeah, we did. World Play-Doh Day was a long time
We
ago.
have to do each 2. Okay, we have to do 2 because then it's fair.
Fine.
I want to do the toasty guy really
I want to do the toasty.
I thought you got brown.
Oh no, I didn't. I'm sorry.
Well,
you didn't even try.
How are we going to make a toasty guy with no brown? You make no sense.
I'm sorry, lady. Don't put him on dummy. I think gonna go through it.
I'm good at dividing, and I'm better than Tony.
You mean? I'm gonna go
Wait.
through the trash. I'm better at throwing away trash than her.
Yeah, she's better at doing. You opened it!
No, I didn't.
Already it's all smushed.
Nope. Oh yeah, I did, making my ghost slash toilet. You can see that video. I made a ghost slash toilet.
I was trying to watch all our videos last night on my phone, but
I made a ghost slash toilet this morning.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, well then I didn't see it.
Alright. No attitude
Needed,
needed.
like without me on our channel. Well, I'm gonna make videos about you on my channel.
You do already.
No, I don't have a channel.
Yeah, well, your little music little thing, that counts as a channel.
You're in it though, and it's not a channel. It's a game.
Yeah, I'm in you, just like you are, in Harry's channel. So it's a reality.
Yeah, and I saw your other videos. You're cheating on me with Lily.
I'm sorry, well, the only playlist Lily has is, she's going to be with us making Yummy Nummies, and she has Crazy Time, because she wants to have Crazy Time. She said she wants her own playlist. And you have your own playlist, too. You have American Girl playlist, and plus you're being invited into other playlists.
Yeah, because I'm awesome. Yeah, the yellow wasn't already open. It matches you, actually.
Stop it! It's what I'm doing for Halloween. I'm wearing it.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I'm being this. I'm being Jake from Adventure Time.
Why didn't you tell me that?
I did on the phone.
You said you were being you said you were being. This isn't a Halloween costume. This is like pajamas.
I know, I use them. Okay, I'm gonna go set the timer. Let's set up our little shopkins, guys. Okay.
Ages 2 or plus. Your sister cannot use them.
No, it's ages. No, my sister's 3.
Still can't use them. Your sister.
You have 10 minutes.
No, set it for 5.
No, we need 10 because remember what I told you about 5 minutes? Ready.
Oh, yeah.
Set.
Get over here! Too big!
Come on,
It's not forming like I'm supposed to.
It's not forming. It's not forming, it's my foot. You have 9 minutes, 26 seconds.
No! I can't even make him!
I can't even make him.
Okay.
So do you admit I'm better at this than you?
You're doing terrible.
I'm making the toasty guy.
So why?
I might do the mixer instead. No. I'm just gonna use the white for his crust.
You still need to make eyes on him.
I know I do, you me.
You're calling me big!
Quiet.
There's no one home.
Well, my dad will be home in like 5 minutes.
Yeah.
My dad will be home in 5 minutes.
We're old enough. God.
Yeah, my dad will be home in like 5 minutes. He just went to Walmart.
To get more shocking.
He didn't. He went to go.
Why? Why? Just why? Why is your dad so cruel? He's
My
not
mom's gonna take us to read more Shopkins. So,
well, we have 8 minutes. No! I didn't even make one yet. Then I put the little butter on it. Oh yes, finally forming. Like it's so.
So are you glad I didn't put on 5 minutes?
Yes, because maybe we can. Okay.
Okay. Don't be forcing yourself. Okay? We're gonna make it.
We're gonna make it. Do this together.
We're in the home stretch. Yeah. Yo.
Yo.
Yeah, I called you all yo's. You're all my yo's now.
Yeah. There are yo's. Yeah.
Okay. Now, you need to make
Making
his
your-
little eyeballs. Are you making him yet?
Yes. I just. getting around, surrounding. He looks like a little heart. He's so cute. I don't want to kill him.
I don't want to kill him.
We'll have to feed him to Layla.
Yeah.
Layla will love him.
Yeah, my sister eats Play-Doh.
That's
This looks like the worst toasty pop ever.
He looks so cute. Oh my god, we have like 7 minutes. No, we have to restart.
Oh no.
Toasty pop.
Toasty pop. Toasty poop.
Toasty poop.
Okay, little guys, with your eyes. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, make your eyelash.
He's too skinny.
He's too skinny. We haven't even made a mixer yet.
Oh my god. How about we get 10 minutes for each?
Okay. Okay, we did 10 minutes for each. We've bended the rules.
Who cares about No, I didn't make it right. And the black's like mixed in.
Okay, there's only little butter. Little butt. Okay, here we go. Okay, finish my toasty pop. Kind of. I don't know.
Toasty pop.
I'm calling him Toasty Pop.
Why?
I don't
That's the
know.
most stupid thing to do in the world.
That has his name on the list.
I don't care.
I don't care.
It's actually pretty cute.
Yeah. Yeah. That looks like his tears. He's crying.
Why is he sad?
Because look at.
Why is he sad?
Why is he sad?
Does that make sense? He's gonna be happy on my sheet.
Okay, come on, little boy.
I'm so sorry.
Come on. Get your little nose.
Okay.
Oh my god, you have like 5 minutes.
No! It did not take 5 minutes to make it this little thing.
I know it's hard.
Mine. The little blue tongue.
Tongue. Okay, finish my little toasty poop. Little toasty poop.
Okay, we'll show you a close-up.
Wait, I need his little leg.
I still need to make this guy. He's gonna be blue. The blender is gonna be blue. He's gonna have this much Play-Doh. This much.
Well, we get 10 minutes for him because we don't have much time left. We're bending the rules because it's our first one, and we just kind of want to go eat.
Yeah, we'll do more. But
we'll do more. We'll actually do the actual rules for this.
yeah,
episode.
but we have to buy more Play-Doh because I want to save these things.
No, I like Spider-Man. Okay, I finished my toasty poop. He fell over.
We should make little food out of this extra Play-Doh.
I know.
As you know, if you watched our previous videos, we're not only doing AG videos.
Yeah, we're not doing not just doing AG videos anymore.
We're still doing AG videos.
Yeah, we're still doing AG. Don't think we're abandoning AG. We're just like
We're
not
doing
gonna do only AG.
Yeah, we love AG.
We love AG.
We love you!
But we're not just gonna do AG.
Yeah, we only buy the dolls at benefit sales or
if we have like a special occasion.
enough money.
Enough money. Enough money. Oh my god, this cup's gonna be a kill. Oh my god, we have like 3 minutes. No!
No, actually, no more bending the rules. We're done. We have to do this.
Yeah, we have to. Oh my god, how are we gonna do this though?
I'm almost done.
Not because you made your toasty cup.
Oh, I still need to make the face.
Oh, I still need it. You still need to make the cup.
I did. Right there.
It's right there. I just began my.
I-
Oh my god, we have like 3 minutes. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
This eye is like so small.
Okay, his eyes.
He looks like he's fighting a black spruce.
He looks like he's fighting a black.
It does.
There you go, oh god. He's
crying.
No, where'd it go? That was his mouth. Okay. That was his mouth.
No.
Okay.
Oh, I forgot to
Oh my god, we have like 2 minutes!
I forgot to make the blender going in this thing. There we go. No, where's your eye? What'd you do with your eye, dude? Oh, it's on your... Oh my gosh. I still need to make other face. Oh jeez. Oh jeez.
I'm
14 seconds.
We're doing bad. We're doing like awful, and we are going to die.
I am doing amazing. Unlike you.
I like you. You mean
But I think you made a better toasty pop than me.
Thank you. Thank you. I
Oh,
tried.
not the face, not the face.
He looks like he's crying.
He might have so.
Oh my God, we have 1 minute and 52 seconds.
No, 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 no. Yes, toasty pop.
He looks so bad.
He's amazing. He's just being himself. Okay.
Oh my God. Okay, okay. We're down to like 1 minute. Only 1 minute.
I need to restart on my toasty pop. Oh gee, you don't mix in a cake of coconut. Okay, let's do this. Come on, toasty pop. Be nice to me now. Come on.
Oh my God. Look at the time.
Restart it, please.
You said we had to do this without breaking the rules. So we are. So
I'm so sad.
I'm so sad. I'm just so sad. This is so good. Keep. Let's go.
Okay, let's do this.
Let's do this, guys. Do you believe in us? We have 15 seconds. What? I still no. He's crying.
Don't forget to watch our
Previous videos.
Previous
for more
videos.
professionalism.
yeah, the professional videos. Okay, now my toasty pop's way better than yours.
We have 30 seconds. No.
My toasty pop.
I'm finishing project until now. I still have to make a tiny little arm coming down.
No, it's not a square.
He's not.
What? What are you laughing at?
Oh, I finished. Come on, little missing guy.
You look like 5 seconds. You look like an egg.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Toasty pop, I thought.
And put him down.
Wait.
You gotta put him down.
Okay. There.
Put him down. Okay.
Oh, this guy's done.
Yeah.
I did a better blender than you.
Okay, turn them around so people can see them.
Okay, they can't see him that well with this whole face.
You bring up yours. I'm responsible for mine.
This is my toasty pop egg guy. He's delicious and nutritious, and he's beautiful.
He's ugly.
He's beautiful.
He's like a big bee himself. Okay, so here's my toasty pop, and I'm gonna bring up the regular toasty pop.
Oh wait.
So the colors are a bit different, but here's mine. So comment down below which one you think is better.
Oh, his name is Bob.
Mine's name is Robert.
So comment
Okay.
Bob or Robert.
It's either mine is either Kevin or Robert. So do hashtag Kevin/Robert or hashtag Bob.
And hashtag Kevin/Bob.
Okay, now go on mixing, guys.
I think mine's better. I personally do.
Okay, here's my mixing, guys. As we said, the colors are probably a little bit different. And here's.
Hi. I'm a
You get your turn. Now
Stop
go
it.
get your mixy guy. Okay. So this is my mixy guy. The colors are a bit different.
Oh, there you are.
So comment down below which one you think is better. Hashtag Kevin/Robert.
Wait. Let me see your eyes. His eyes. Oh, okay, they're the same. This is mine. I didn't do anything. This is mine compared. Turn around. Okay, this is mine compared to that. Don't forget to watch our new Shopkin videos that we're going to be doing. The evil twin. I don't know. We got the three Shopkins, and you will see this.
But wait, there's more. We're doing another challenge.
We have to save this though, so we can't use this Play-Doh. No, we can't let it dry out.
You have to put it back. I'm sorry.
No, we have to let it dry out.
No.
We're using them for our videos.
No.
Yes, we have.
Take off his eyes. Take off his mouth.
No, they're all going to be all mixed. We can't do that. Because if we squish them together, they're going to be mixed.
Exactly. Take off the eyes. I don't want the Play-Doh to dry out.
Why?
Because it's my Play-Doh and I paid for it.
That's what I mean, but we could use them for our videos. See, look! Look.
Oh my God! Get him unsquished and get the Play-Doh back in the pile.
I can't get them unsquished. That's impossible.
Well, you should. Now put the Play-Doh back where it's supposed to be.
I'm sorry, I just want to keep my little guy.
Well, put him back. Put the Play-Doh back where it's supposed to be.
You mean so rude on our channel, Lana.
I'm sorry that I don't want to
Say sorry to our audience.
You're being rude. I'm sorry that I don't want my Play-Doh dry out.
It's not yours.
It is. I
It's
bought
their
it.
body. It's their living body, and you're tearing it apart. You created life, and you're tearing it apart. You're so mean.
Listen, you either tear it apart or you not part the next challenge.
Yeah, but the challenge, we should do who can create their own best Play-Doh guy. Seriously, it's all stuck.
Well, too bad.
Okay, you know what? This gotta go.
No. Get all the Play-Doh you can out.
Okay, the ones that are mixed like this though, is gonna ruin it.
Well, then throw those ones away.
Yeah, that's like every single part of this little egg, dude.
Well, don't mess up the other one or else.
Wait, fine. That one is cute.
Okay, we're gonna put the
garbage is right
Bring
here.
all the
Excuse me, I'm throwing something away.
stuff back. Okay, anyway,
I'm so sorry.
do hashtag Kevin/Bob. No, wait, hashtag Kevin/Bob or hashtag Bob.
Or just go Bob. Which is me.
You have to do a hashtag or else it doesn't have.
Fine, hashtag Bob. That's me. And then,
Comment down below, hashtag Kevin/Robert or,
and,
you didn't say hashtag Bob.
hashtag Bob. Yes, I said that a million times. Now, don't give us your YouTube channel name and do the Shopkins challenge.
And we have to take,
And we will watch it.
we are tagging, I tag That's Cat's Meow. You have to take another challenge to do this.
Turkey Suavito.
She's not gonna see it. Someone without this password.
Okay, let me just grab my phone. I don't know.
I also challenge Living Woman. She challenges That's Cat's Meow.
Yeah.
And if you don't do it in the next 2 weeks, then
What if they don't see this until 2 weeks?
if you don't see it, then that's fine. But if you do, then we're gonna have a serious talk with you. Like, why? Why would you not?
We can't talk to them. What if they live in California?
It doesn't matter. Okay. Anyway, bye guys.
Bye.